Hello viewers, how are you today? We're going to deal with two words, big and large. Are they similar or different? Yes, they're similar in many ways. For example, both of them are adjectives and they take position before any noun, but there might be some other ways they're different. Okay, let's think of two examples. It's a big elephant, it's a large elephant. Probably they are similar to each other. But if I say he's a big man, he's a large man, are they similar? Not at all. When we say he's a big man, that refers to his power, success, or big position in our society. And when we say a large man that refers to his physical appearance and size. And probably his tailor knows the best, like whether he fits in XL, double XL, or beyond that. But how exactly they are similar or different? They usually refers to more than any average size. It can be size, it can be weight, it can be length, or something like that. Let's deal with the word big. When you want to mean that something more than any average size, we use big. For example, our school field is quite big. And we also use big when we refer something very important. For example, you work in an office and there is an increase of 20% salary. 20% is a big jump. So it's a big decision. So big refers to something very important. Well, probably you are thinking about someone, and that someone is now in a big shot, like he's in a big position. So you are referring he's a big man now. Okay, another example. You are talking about different ministers, and now you refer to a particular minister, and you are saying he's a big man in the ministry. That means he is more powerful, and we can't use large here. And another one is, it's very informal though, like we refer to it as a big brother, or he's my big brother. So here big is older. You can't say he's my larger brother. Now let's deal with the word large. A large amount. For example, I'm a businessman and a large amount of my earning comes from my business. A large number. A good example can be a large number of graduates are now appearing for BCS. A large proportion. Okay, the example is a large proportion of my salary is spent for my family. A large scale. For example, the project is implemented in a large scale. So it was in a smaller scale, now it's in a large scale, probably implemented across the country. So these are some common use of large. And there are some fixed expressions with big and large, and you can Google them to find some more information. Viewers, if you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.